Download the package order wizard and start it directly on the Windows computer you want to use for the installation. Make sure that no other programs are pre-installed on the computer and that you have administrative permissions. You can log in two ways. Normally use your account with password, or alternatively log in with a token provided by your IT department. To start, we need the manufacturer, product name, and software version. If you have already started an ordering process, you can continue here at the same point. Next, we need the software installation files. You can upload these either individually or as an entire directory. Once you're ready, click Next. Now you can record the installation on video. To do this, click on Start Recording and carry out the installation. The application chosen here is very simple, but of course you can also record complex applications. Feel free to make any desired adjustments to the application. To do this, start the program while recording and click through the settings. When you're done, stop recording. Alternatively, if you don't want to record a video, you can upload a PDF file with instructions. In the last step, we upload your files and videos to our server. By the way, you can also upload very large applications. That's no problem. Your order is now complete. You can check your details again by clicking on the relevant link. Here you could also upload additional attachments or provide us with further information. If everything is correct, confirm the order. You will receive your package within a few days and can import it directly into your environment. Please let us know if everything fits so that we can invoice you for the package.